What's up, everybody? Today I'm going to be teaching you how to add a photon barrier to your Gorilla Tag fan game. Basically what it is it's supposed to be like a barrier. If your player is not connected, it will show and they can't go through it. So first things you're going to do is you're going to go to my Discord and my YouTube bio, and you're going to search for the photon barrier channel, and then you're going to download the script. Then you're going to go back to Unity, select create empty, and then you're going to want to call this a photon barrier manager. You don't have to make it static or anything, but what you have to do is you're going to want to add your script. Then you're going to import the new asset to your scripts folder. This isn't my scripts folder, but I'm trying to make this tutorial quick and easy. So go back to photon barrier, click add component, and then put in the barrier script. Hold on, I can't really spell. There it is. And then you're going to want to leave it like that for now. What you're going to need to do is you're going to need to add a 3D object, turn off or just remove box collider and replace it with a mesh collider. So mesh collider. And if you have a hit sounds tag, then you could add that if you want, but I'm going to do it myself to show you or whatever what it looks like. Go over here, bring it to your area where you're going to put it. For me, I'm just going to leave it right here. And just like that, you're going to want to go to your photon barrier manager, and then you're going to want to drag your cube to the barrier. And then now, if you playtest your game, it should be able to work. As you can see, if the player loads into a lobby, it'll disappear completely, and the player will able to go through into the map. This is just a tutorial scene, so yeah, it's good. Next tutorial, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to add a monitor or moderator tag and like make it to where it's accessible in PlayFab. Hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. This might have been a little short, a little unexplainable, but if you have any questions, then just ask in my Discord server. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.